to my channel. Today we are diving into the carne asada of 4th of July in bold glam style. Today I decided to go a little bit more creative, a lot of color. Why not? Let's be bold and celebrate. I have my little bandana. If you're interested in recreating this bold 4th of July amazingness, and make sure to keep on watching. Alright guys, I already prepped and primed the eye. We're gonna go in with some Coastal Scent Hot Pots. First one we're gonna go in with is Wineberry. Next we're gonna darken up with American Rose. I'm gonna go in with a clean brush and buff out the very top. I don't want to bring it up too high. I just want to make sure that it's a nice and diffuse. We're gonna switch our brush to a smaller, more dense brush, and we're gonna go in with Vibrant Red. I want to place this on the edge and focus most of that red in that crease area. I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Concealer in white. Actually, the name is Highlight. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the back of my hand and grab a brush. So this is the first time experimenting with this concealer. I say it works for cutting the crease and brightening up the shade. I like it. I think I'm going to keep reaching for it. The easiest way that I usually do a cut crease is I'll create my little like eyeliner wings and then connect it to my crease. So you can do it straight across, or you can do it with a little dip like I do on the edge. Just depends how you want it. Next I'm going to go in with Electric Blue. I'm going to get a flat brush and just pack it from the edge all the way to about halfway. Next I'm going to go in with Brandeis Blue. This is kind of more of a metallic, brighter blue. I'm going to go back in with that Vibrant Red. Using an angled brush, I'm just going to go ahead and clean up all the edge. I don't have to do this. I just like definition. So if you have a little bit of concealer peeking through, this kind of covers it. So what helps me work with cut creases is I clean it up and try to measure out so this eye that's already done is kind of my guide. Alright, so I cleaned it up. I have my guide already. I'm going to go ahead and place the glitter and then let that dry and then kind of clean up with the blue eyeliner. So this is probably the most time-consuming part of the look. So I always want to hold a mirror, look down, and make sure that I'm measuring both eyes to kind of look the same. Are they going to be 100% the same? We're going to try. So I like to do it by layers, let it dry, and then come back and build it. Once you have the layer of glitter as thick or thin as you want it, I'm going to go ahead and go in with the liquid eyeliner. So at first I want to go in and set my wing at the bottom and then try to do the detailed work at the top. And take your time with it. It is kind of a tricky little brush. So I like to put my finger, kind of set it down. I like to wait for it to dry just so that I can see where it actually is, because when it looks wet it looks a little bit different. So once I have the bottom section even, I'm going to go back and do the detailed work at the top. I have the mirror right beneath me, so I'm looking down, making sure that it's even. Alright peeps, so NYX is probably going to hate me after this, but this is what happened. So besides the fact that this eyeliner cracks, so I had to go back and kind of fix that. And then the glitter literally will peel off. So I kind of lifted it because I need to start over. If this is the case, look at this. Are you getting this? Oh my gosh. It's so stinking frustrating. I would say do not use this on clients or you will have this and people will come back and complain about your work. What I'm seeing with these products is even though they are affordable, I want to say test it out on yourself. Don't have greasy lids. I did not use a greasy primer. Oh, I actually have really dry eyelids. This is really weird, but I would not use this on a client and risk peeling off. You're freelancing and you are on a budget. I know this seems tempting, but I would say like try this on your eyelid, try it for yourself. Right now, the way that this is performing, I would not. I would rather spend $20 on the Urban Decay one that I know is expensive, but it's gonna do the job, than get this in every shade. And I do have this in a couple of shades because I was like, oh wow, it's $5. It's a great product. This is not doing it for me. As far as the eyeliners, they're really cool, vivid, but they crack and they make my eyelids feel like they're stiff. We're just gonna keep going. I'm gonna reapply and fix this, and we'll be back with my face.
With my head again, you had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way?
Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and finish off the bottom of the eye. I'm gonna go in with Electric Blue. Next I'm gonna go in with Brandeis Blue. So since I want to add that metallic effect, I'm gonna go in with this pencil. Guys, so that is the finished look. This is definitely stepping out of comfort zones, boldness this 4th of July. So let's talk about a couple products that made filming this video almost eternal for me. NYX Glitter and regular vivid liners. I have not tried their regular matte black, but these two have been a disappointment from the day that I put them on. I reached for them again, giving them a chance this video, and I had to do my eye look like 2 or 3 times, and I have to keep retouching it in order to get a decent look for close-up shots and just an overall look. So I'm disappointed in these products. One, because they're not as cheap as I would imagine for the performance. If you are freelancing, this is a scary thing for me. I would not recommend you putting this on a client. I would be fearful that they would come back and be angry because these products are just not performing well. So the Superstay foundation, this is not a wear test review. This is just kind of like a first impression. I like it. 120 is a bit dark for my not tan skin, but I think it evens out on camera. Having dry skin, I will say that I have to have my skin pretty wet and moisturized in order for this to work out for me. But I really did enjoy the coverage and I like how it feels. I don't feel like my face is hard or heavy. So I'm definitely enjoying this one. I will do a review actually wearing it and seeing how I feel about it, but right now I feel good. So I have been experiencing a lot of dry patches on my chin. I'm recovering from breakouts on my cheeks. And I've been using the Pixie Hydrating Milky Mist. I got it maybe days ago and I have already like gone crazy spraying. What I like about this product is, one, it feels good on the skin. I have extremely sensitive skin, so I have not had a reaction. The sprayer, people, like, this is beautiful, look. This is what a sprayer should be. A mist. enjoy this product. First time that I actually try Pixie sprays or anything other than their Rose Balm, which I have been liking. I'm almost like halfway with it. Today I used their contouring stick. Multi-Balm Sheer Sculpt. So they have about 5 or 6 products and you're supposed to use them for your eyes, your lips, your cheeks. I got it on sale for $6 along with 2 other colors. I think it was pretty nice, light, manageable. I didn't really like go hard, but it was easy to blend and I didn't feel like it was gonna dry down instantly to be like problematic. So I really enjoyed it. Alright guys, so that wraps up this video. I definitely enjoyed this boldness of colors. So when I started putting together my Z palettes, I started to section them off in colors, right? And I would always think, why am I even ordering a red eyeshadow? Or why am I ordering an orange eyeshadow? It's not like I'm gonna be reaching for these colors. I'm so proud of myself that these past couple of videos, I have not been afraid to reach for these colors and actually wear them. So for 4th of July, enjoy yourselves, be safe, enjoy the fireworks, enjoy the carne asada, and let me know if you recreate this look for your glam barbecue or any other place that you are going, or if you're staying home and chilling, that is also okay too. So don't forget to follow me on all my social media, Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook. Subscribe, turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video. Like always, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time.